Hi guys, today we make kabsa biryani, and this is the ingredients. This chicken I already marinate. I put kabsa pepper and oil and salt. I marinate half an hour, and I use basmati rice, coriander, lemon, chili, and garlic and onion and tomato. And this is the one that I will put in chicken for boiling. This coriander, I will blend this one with tomato, chili, and this is it, our sauce. And we fry the chicken. Then we put this in chicken. Then we put carrots also, and we put water. And cover it and let it chicken cook. Then I will put also raisin. Now I put the rice basmati, and we wait until cook. And this is the chicken I separate. And this peanut I put butter, I fry, and I will put on the top. And this is it, our kabsa with salad and sauce with the top of coriander and onion fry.